cosmos of gastrointestinal diseases, there are a lot of products and lot more therapies to alleviate the problems of the patients. But there is only one company that has consistently and periodically offered innovations in the gastrointestinal segment, such as ranitidine, famotidine, domperidone, omeprazole plus domperidone, mosapride, omeprazole, esomeprazole, and so on. Torrent Pharmaceuticals, where innovation is an attitude and quality is a habit. Research and development at Torrent is a silent, non-stop process designed to confer hidden benefits, therapeutic advantages, and enhanced relief to the patients. Focused medicinal and chiral chemistry is today instrumental in developing high-performance molecules. One example of such outstanding focused work is esomeprazole, the latest proton pump inhibitor in the world market. Subsequently, the market has witnessed the entry of many brands. Do you believe that all brands of esomeprazole confer the same benefits? Nexpro is the brand of esomeprazole introduced by Torrent in India. When it comes to esomeprazole, we request you to trust your eyes and not your ears. For the truth is competitors' envy, Torrent's pride. Glimpses of differences in esomeprazole dispersion and hence efficacy will be evident in this animated representation, comparing Nexpro and other competitive brands available in this country. This should enable you to realize how Nexpro is different. The formulation of Nexpro involves the unique pellet-in-tablet (PIT) technology. Thousands of individually enteric-coated pellets of esomeprazole are compressed into one single film-coated tablet. When a Nexpro tablet enters the stomach, the film coating dissolves, releasing the tiny pellets. Since these pellets are small, they quickly reach the duodenum, where the enteric coating is dissolved and duly released for action. Larger surface areas of the pellets ensures more rapid and complete absorption, thereby faster onset of action. Further, since each pellet is enteric coated, there is no chance of formulation failure. Other brands of esomeprazole are formulated by compressing esomeprazole powder into an enteric coated tablet. When such a tablet enters the stomach, being large in size, it takes a longer time to reach the duodenum. Here, the drug is released slowly, as the enteric coating gets dissolved slowly from the single tablet. Further, even a small pinhole in the enteric coating will render the tablet ineffective, as the entire esomeprazole will get destroyed in the stomach. Pinholes can easily develop due to improper coating, damage during transportation, handling by chemists or patients. Thus, it is evident now that Nexpro is different and distinctly superior. But is this animation reproducible clinically? To prove the point, here is an actual endoscopic recording of Nexpro dispersion as compared to other competitive esomeprazole preparations. We would like all you doctors to be the judge. Thus it is seen that Nexpro is an esomeprazole in a superior class of its own. By showing you these perspectives, you will realize that Nexpro is distinctly different and superior in technology to translate into better benefits that are definite. So doctors, you will agree that we at Torrent understand your medical needs better. When it is esomeprazole, trust only Nexpro, for your eyes cannot lie. Nexpro